In this video I'm going to show you how to hide reaction count on Facebook. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Facebook app and there at the bottom right hit on menu. Now there scroll for a little bit and hit on settings and privacy and there hit on settings. Now here tap on this search icon and there at the search box type in REA to be able to find reaction preferences right here and hit on that. Now there I can set up reaction preferences and now all options are enabled, and it means that reaction counters hide on my posts and my reactions are hidden on posts from others. So if I go to feed, there I don't see any counters of reactions, just reaction icons. And if I go back I can disable that option and open up feed again, refresh it, and now there I see count of likes. And to hide that counters you have to enable that option, and probably you want to enable that option too. All you're gonna know that other persons will see reactions from others and from your account too. And basically that's it, that's how it works, guys. So hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.